Hey, what's up guys? Alex here. We're in suburbia right now, here in Scarborough, at the northeast end of Toronto, intersection of Morningside and Shepherd Avenue. I'm here with cousin Andrew. You've seen him before, and he's the one driving. So what car is this again?
2017 Hyundai Elantra.
All right. So we've so it's been a while since I've done a car ride. Last time I did that was with my friends. We were going to and from Niagara Falls, but I think I did like one driving video with him once. I think it was back in 2023. But the reason why we're out here in Strodeland is because we were just having a nice lunch at Tropical Nights, which is a very awesome West Indian place. Normally every Sunday they have like a buffet. They didn't have it this time. I mean, I haven't been here in like 2.5 years, but it's still winter. Like normally during the winter months, they don't have their buffet. Even half of their kitchen was closed, so we couldn't even order like roti and curry or anything. But that's all right. But as you can see, it is a very, very nice day once again. I'm glad to get out and enjoy this nice sunny day. And thanks again to Andrew for driving. So how was the food?
It was good.
Yeah, I got like fried rice, and chicken, spring rolls. Although actually we were my mom and my grandpa. And my mom said, "Hey, Alex, you should give Andrew a spring roll." So then she gave it to you, and then you
gave it back.
Yeah, for my benefit. So we're going to go into North York. So now we're going on to the busiest highway in North America, which is Highway 401. And I just checked the Google Maps. It's actually a straight green line, so we should be very good. I mean, it is a Sunday, so. And why are we going to IKEA?
I need furniture.
Yes.
Don't ask me how to pronounce it, because I do not know.
Yeah. I don't know if it's right. I'm recording. I don't know if it's right if I should say like what it is you're doing, but. I'll just say he needs a new dresser. So, and I haven't been to IKEA in like 2 years, and I used to go to the North York location all the time. So, I think it's pretty fitting. And then I'm probably gonna run off after I help him find his dresser. So, we did drive from my grandpa's place up Kingston Road. But I didn't want to make a video because, I mean, he drove like an hour and 15 minutes from Hamilton. Really didn't want to bother him, so. Even though we did have a bit of conversations about transit and stuff like that, journalism. So, normally right now, normally on a weekday, the highway is really busy, but today's Sunday, so it should be a smooth sailing drive, and that's to his benefit because we are going to the IKEA, which is right next to the 401. That over there used to be the Yellow Pages building. They're doing a complete overhaul of this place here, this transformer-like building. You can kind of see on the right. And Andrew, on your left, I was telling you about Centennial College. There's the campus right there.
That's the one that's getting.
Well, so I was telling him earlier, the campus in East York is closing. They're merging its operations with the Progress campus. So all of its operations are moving there, because of because again, a lot of programs they cancel like international students their visas and stuff, and the spaces weren't really being utilized. So they're like, what the hell's the point? So they decided to call it quits on that. By the way, I did mention before, I don't talk about it enough. Andrew's a musician. Check out his album, Long Road to Nowhere. And we're passing by Scarborough Town Center, where a mass shooting happened on Friday night at a brand new pub that just opened up. Devastating. Yeah, somewhere around here. Oh yeah, there's CTV, Bell Media, CB24 is there now. So this shouldn't be a long drive at all. So we'll see. Sorry, Andrew, what was the traffic like coming to Toronto earlier today?
Everywhere was fine, except for in between Oakville and Mississauga.
I'm assuming you took the
north.
Oh yeah, so I'm assuming you took the 403.
Yes.
Yeah.
403 and then up to 401.
All right. Yeah. So, yeah.
Whatever that stretches between the 403 and the 401.
Yeah, because the 401 goes it goes from Mississauga from the 403, then it goes all the way through here. So that's pretty much how you got here. So again, traffic is absolutely a pain in the ass during the weekdays and rush hours. So I understand why he gets all stressed out, but at least you're not on the Gardner. That's one thing. Shit. It's not very often I get to do these car ride videos. Normally you always see me riding the subway and bus, so this is a nice change. Especially, I couldn't resist because it's such a gorgeous day out. I think right now, today is the 9th of March. Just actually. There's the date. Nah, it's not showing. Yeah, there it is. There's the day and time. It's around 3 degrees Celsius. It's gonna get warm tomorrow.
My car says 8.
Oh. And according to the screen right there, we should be arriving there in 7 minutes. Wait, you said 8 minutes? You said 8 degrees?
Yeah.
Holy
shit. Look in the middle.
The camera can't pick it up, but holy crap. Okay, well, that was last time I checked the weather. Let me just check the app right now. Let's see if it... Oh, wow, you're close. 7 degrees. 7 degrees, so spring is coming. We've had a pretty hectic winter. Now...
It's supposed to go up into the 10.
Yeah, as I was saying yesterday, it's going to be like freaking 12 degrees. By the way, now we're in North York. We just crossed Victoria Park Avenue. And we're going to pass by... Highway 404, the Don Valley Parking Way, but of course the DVP is well known, very notorious for its high amount of traffic. That's why locals call it the Don Valley Parking Lot. But
look, it's yellow.
Oh wow. Well, I'm not. Okay, well, I'm not too surprised, but
you can see it right
Yep. Yep. But we're almost there, actually. Again, sometimes there's the benefits of having a car. I mean, I myself choose not to drive. I'm always a big transit guy, but it really depends on the time of day, the area. Because obviously, you're in the suburbs, like Scarborough, it's like car-centric area. Like, you need to wait for a bus for that. And originally, I was going to go home with my mom. We thought of, because the subway is closed right now, line 2, we had to take a shuttle bus, which actually wasn't a hassle, to be honest. We thought of taking Shepherd all the way to Don Mills. And then Andrew showed me the time to get home. It's literally 2 hours, so... Well, my mom's getting the ride down to Victoria Park, so she doesn't have to go to Kennedy and use the shuttle bus, but I have to go with Andrew instead.
Can we talk about how I just had to cross over 5 lanes within a kilometer to get to Leslie Street?
No way, bro! That's crazy. Hey, look, there's an NG Hybrid, $13.99. I think that's heading back to Aero, I believe. Aero Division is where your dad used to work. Nice. Oh yeah, there's another one too. I think they were doing the Line 2 shuttles. And now we're coming out to Leslie Street. There's North York General Hospital.
Did I ever tell you that the Wheel-Trans buses in Hamilton, the Toronto Wheel-Trans buses, they sometimes come to Hamilton?
Oh yeah, you told me. Tell me more about that.
So they go up, there is a Go Bus depot.
Yeah.
up in Waterdown,
Okay.
Highway 5, I think, in Hamilton.
Yeah.
It's like Highway 6 and Dundas Street. I always see them. They go in 5 or 6 at a time, coming up and down the mountain.
I find that surprising. Like, I find that very, very surprising. Do you think they do like training or something?
I don't know.
Or they're just there?
I think maybe they have TTC has a negotiation with Metrolinx maybe for service.
I don't know. Maybe or maybe it's Go Transit. Maybe they're just part of Go Transit because obviously they go there too. So, but it's a mystery. So there's a little tidbit that's I actually knew about, but I forgot about it. But
if anyone knows the answer, put it down.
Yeah.
In the comments.
Yeah, or anybody that lives in Hamilton like Andrew.
Yeah, one's just like that.
Yes, yeah. So that's a paratransit bus. There's the 51 Leslie bus. So he's not gonna take me home. I'm gonna run off when I'm done with him. We're gonna go inside. So that's Leslie's subway station. So that'll be my way for me to get home. I'll think of other ideas, but and we're stuck. I used to go to that IKEA a lot when I was a kid. I used to play with the cabinets, the fridges, open up and close the doors. Yeah, that location. So really coming back here really brings back some memories. And also I remember when there used to not be any of these condos here. Look how much this area has changed. It's hard to believe, like you live right next to an IKEA. But here we go. 12 minutes it took to get from Shepherd and Morningside down here. So I guess that's the benefits of driving on a Sunday. You can see. And there's a Go station around here as well, called Oriole.
Now the most fun part.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Gotta find the best parkings.
Right here looks
Oh wow! Not even a minute in. Not even a minute. That's perfect too, because we're not even far from the entrance. So as Andrew's backing up, gonna wrap things up. Very short video, but that's all right. So again, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you to my cousin Andrew for driving, also for turning off the music so I don't get copyrighted. So yeah. So again, thanks Andrew. Thanks guys for watching, and until next one, take care, and bye bye.